2 ways to lock your Facebook Messenger. First, using the Messenger app. Open the Messenger app. In the bottom right corner, tap on the menu option. Inside the menu, select the Privacy and Safety option. Under the Security section, tap on App Lock. Enable the option called Require Face ID. Messenger will scan your face and then lock the app. Below, you can also choose a time interval. Immediately after exiting, 1 minute later, 15 minutes later, or 1 hour later. This ensures Messenger always asks for Face ID before reopening. Second, using iOS shortcut. On your home screen, long press the Messenger app icon. In the pop-up menu, select Require Face ID. This only works if you have set up your Face ID to the iPhone. Messenger will now be unlocked only with Face ID. And that's it. Follow and subscribe for more tech tips.